Linux Mint 22 is here. It comes with a brand new Ubuntu base, updated software, and performance improvements. It still keeps the familiar Mint experience millions of users love. In this video, we'll explore what's new. We'll cover performance, stability, Cinnamon desktop updates, who should upgrade, and if it's the best Windows alternative in 2026. Let's get started. Linux Mint is one of the most beginner-friendly Linux distributions. It's designed for people moving from Windows or Mac OS. They want something simple, stable, and fast. Mint focuses on ease of use, stability, a clean interface, and productivity out of the box. With version 22, developers continue that mission while updating the system underneath. Linux Mint 22 is now built on a newer Ubuntu LTS base. What does that mean for you? Better hardware support, newer drivers, improved security, and updated system libraries. This ensures Mint will receive updates for several years, making it ideal for both home users and office environments. You'll also notice improved compatibility with modern laptops, Wi-Fi chips, and graphics cards. So even though the interface looks familiar, under the hood it's more powerful and future-ready. The Cinnamon desktop remains the heart of Linux Mint. And the good news? It still looks and feels clean, modern, and simple. Highlights include smooth animations, updated themes, better window management, and an improved system settings layout. The menu is still Windows-like, making it easy for new users. You get a taskbar, system tray, and desktop icons, all customizable. Mint continues to focus on usability over flashy design. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. This makes it perfect for students, offices, and everyday users. One of Mint's biggest strengths is performance. Linux Mint 22 runs smoothly even on older computers. Performance improvements include faster boot times, better memory usage, improved app launch speed, and stable multitasking. On a typical laptop with 8 GB RAM, Mint feels extremely responsive. Even on older hardware, it performs better than many modern operating systems. This makes it a great option for reviving older PCs. Linux Mint comes ready to use immediately after installation. Pre-installed apps include a web browser, Office Suite, media player, and file manager. The software manager is especially helpful for beginners. You can install apps with one click, no command line needed. Updates are simple and safe. Mint also includes system snapshots, so you can restore your system if something goes wrong. That's a huge advantage for new Linux users. Linux Mint is known for stability. Version 22 continues the tradition with long-term support, regular security updates, and reliable performance. It also boasts fewer system crashes. For office environments or schools, this reliability is very important. You can install it once and use it for years without problems. Linux Mint 22 is perfect for beginners switching from Windows, students, office computers, and developers. It's also great for older PCs and anyone wanting a stable daily system. If you already use Mint, upgrading is an easy choice. If you're new to Linux, this is one of the best starting points. Linux Mint 22 doesn't try to reinvent itself, and that's a good thing. It keeps the same reliable experience. It improves performance, compatibility, and stability. Sometimes, consistency is exactly what users need. If you want a fast, stable, and easy Linux system in 2026, Linux Mint 22 is still one of the best choices available. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, are you using Linux Mint or thinking about switching? See you in the next video.